I'm Angela from Angela Wolf Video, and I'm here to tell you about my new series called Video Tech Tuesdays. Every Tuesday at 1 p.m., we're going live on Facebook and YouTube to answer your video questions about tech, specs, and gear. This is going to be really geared towards people who are making videos at home, either through, Zoom meetings or vlogs, or just starting to dabble in video. So be sure to jump on every Tuesday at 1 p.m. and we're going to answer all of your questions. But what should we start with? How about you tell us? I want to know what your questions are in regards to video. So please comment on this video to give us all the information that we need to know about what your burning questions are about video and video gear. We're going to start making these videos and posting them every Tuesday. If you can't watch them live, don't worry. We will leave them up and you can do a replay. So be sure to check us out on Facebook or YouTube at Angela Wolf Video.